Hello everyone. Hello Taurus. This is your general forecast for anong buwan na ulit? October 2024. Okay, Taurus. Welcome, 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 welcome. Tignan natin ang energies nyo for this month and ano ang magiging advice sa inyo ng universe. Okay? Okay, okay, okay. Ayan. So, kung bago kayo sa channel na to, ang goal natin dito ay magbigay ng guidance using the light from above para may positive energies ang lahat. Okay, Taurus, kamusta kayo? Anong nangyayari sa inyo ngayon? Uh, I see the Hierophant here. Okay, let's see. Ano bang meron? Taurus, kamusta kayo? Anong meron? It's so exciting. Lahat naka-upright. Okay, so let's see. Okay, Taurus, let's start with your first card. Your first card is the Ten of Swords. Ano ba? May nangyari ba sa inyo in the past, recent past, na tong ano lang, na parang may natapos ba na, na something sa buhay ninyo? Mayroon ba kayong iniwan na pagkatao? May iniwan ba kayong tao? May iniwan ba kayong bahay? Or may iniwan ba kayong ah, trabaho, may iniwan ba kayong boss, ganyan. Ano yung meron? There is something na parang before kasi nagbibigay sa inyo ng weight, ng heavy feeling na parang hindi kayo masyadong maka-move forward but you were able to release from that energy and that is something na ginagalawan ninyo ngayon or baka yung iba sa inyo is uh, nagdadalawang isip pa, no? Let's see. Right now, ang card ninyo, ang energy ninyo, Taurus, is the Three of Wands. The Three of Wands? The Three of Wands is telling me na ikaw ay nag-iisip kung paano ka magkakaroon ng mas magandang pagpaplano, ng mas magandang kung paano magiging ah, better yung buhay ninyo eh. Parang mas malalim, mas malapad ang inyong tawag doon, mas malawak ang inyong paningin. So, that this is something good, Taurus. Siguro yung marami sa inyo is natuto from the past or parang nagkaroon kayo ng some kind of parang light bulb moment na ito yung kailangan kong gawin ngayon. Okay? Ang gusto ko sa inyo, Taurus, lahat naka-upright. Okay? Well, hindi naman bad kung nakabaliktad, no? It's just that parang ang linis tignan eh. Ang linis tignan nung ano ninyo, ng energies ninyo ngayon. You have the temperance, and this is the potential energy for this month, for October. You have the temperance energy. I see you as somebody who is really being careful and parang tinatansya ninyo yung sarili ninyo eh. Careful kayo pero hindi ibig sabihin na stuck kayo. You are very moderated, kumbaga kung kailangan ng konting kunwari kakausap kayo ng ibang tao, kailangan ng konting lambing, maglalambing kayo ng konti kung para hindi parang mas smooth yung mga bagay sa buhay ninyo. This is something na nakikita ko sa inyo, Taurus, no? So talagang tinatansya ninyo yung how you will act, kung ano yung actions ninyo, ganyan. Yun nga eh, kasi you're actually doing things to make things better eh. Kaya talagang ikaw mismo parang nagkakaroon ka ng effort to really do things na mas magbibigay sa'yo ng kaayusan at ng ka, kalinisan ng mga pangyayari. Kumbaga, iwas drama ang inyong, iwas drama, yun ang word. Iwas drama ang inyong goal. Okay? Yun yung nakikita ko sa inyo. When it comes to this month, or kung ano itong pinagdadaanan ninyo, Taurus, you have the Hierophant as your potential outcome. Meaning, you may come across as somebody who is a leader or pwedeng pinagkakatiwalaan ng ibang tao. Maybe you see yourself this way too. And posible din na parang may mga taong nagbibigay sa'yo ng ah, binibigay yung tiwala sa inyo. Kung ano yung sasabihin ninyo, they will believe it. Because nakikita nila sa inyo that you have what it takes. That you have the capability to lead people. Pwedeng sa trabaho, nakikita ng ibang tao, ay, kaya niya. Why not? Let's do it. Pwede din naman sa mga sa ibang parte ng inyong pamumuhay. Pwede din namang pwedeng with your friends. It can be with your family. Basta, people see you as somebody who is who is quite able to lead them. It may be boring for other people, pero maganda yung pinapakita mong leadership, no? May konting kakulangan lang dito sa creativity. But I see you as somebody who is doing what you can. All right? And this is a very Taurus trait, no? So, kayo bahala kung paano gagawin yan. But, ang advice sa inyo is the hyperstess. You need to follow yung inyong intuition. Anong sinasabi ng sarili mo, ng guts mo, ano yun? Alam mo, minsan, you need to trust yourself eh. Minsan, feeling ko dapat ito yung gawin ko. So, you need to trust that. So, so you need to be less objective but more of intuitive, if that makes sense. Kung nafe-feel mo na minsan hindi ko yata dapat gawin ito, ganyan, you gotta follow it, Taurus. You need to follow it. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng advice card mo. And another thing is, you need to be anchored pa din. Huwag lalaki ang ulo. Yun yung nakikita ko yan. Yun yung nakita ko dito. Ano pa ba? There are many things that you can do when you use your intuition because nagkakaroon ng mas madaming potentials, nagkakaroon ng napakaraming, kumbaga nagbubunga siya eh. Okay? Nagbubunga siya ng magagandang outcome for you. So, kuha na tayo ng inyong advice card, Taurus. Anong tingin niyo dito, guys? Anong masasabi niyo sa reading na to? Please comment down below. Anong meron? Anong nangyayari? Okay. So if you resonate with this reading, please let me know by liking this video or commenting down below. Subscribe to Hula Juan and share this channel with others. Just a small gesture to support this channel. Thank you so much. Okay. We also have a 2024 forecast pala, no? Para just in case na hindi nyo pa nakikita yon, just go there. First card is enjoyment. Striving and pushing makes life into endless hard work. The more you're inviting love to take over, the more enjoyment comes. Allow me to enjoy this life, dear Lord. Taurus, alam mo, marami sa mga Taurus dyan. Masipag, may gustong gawin, may gustong mapatunayan. Kung tinatamad naman kayo, Taurus, todo din. Pero madalas, kung talagang may goal ng go. Go for gold ang inyong ginagawa. So, ang advice dito is enjoyment. Hanapan mo ng ways kung paano mo may enjoy yung ginagawa ninyo. Invite love. Ibig sabihin, kunwari may isang bagay na ginagawa ka, find moments where you can see yourself that you're enjoying it, na parang bakit ito ginagawa? Ay, gusto ko to. Parang sometimes even just a smile on your face makes that a little bit better. Kung may mga kasama kayong katrabaho, do something out of kindness, do something out of love. Kunwari, uy, gusto mo ng meron akong baon dito, ganyan. Gusto mo ganyan, or bili ka ng snacks, bigay mo sa iba. Kumbaga, do something out of love. So, something na ginagawa ninyo, nagiging mas maganda siyang sa pakiramdam. Okay? Obsidian. Grounding, shielding, and void. So, Taurus, ang nafe-feel ko dito is, minsan sa sobrang ninyong kabisihan, sa sobrang ninyong madami na kayong pinagkakagawaan dyan, hindi mo napapansin that there are some energies that may be affecting you in a way that minsan may nakakaaway ka na, hindi mo napapansin, or baka naman minsan nagkakaroon ka na ng mga taong hindi masyadong maganda para sa sa mental health mo, or kahit minsan man lang, kahit yung kumbaga hindi man lang ganun ka ayos yung pakikisama, naapektuhan ka na. So if you have an obsidian, you can use that. You can keep one with yourself, and maybe something as simple as going out in the park, alam mo yun, magbungkal ka man lang ng lupa, mag-gardening ka, something that makes you grounded. And also, protecting yourself. Okay? So, ayun yung mga nakikita ko ito, no, Taurus. Another thing. Another thing is that minsan kasi sa sobrang kabisihan ninyo ay hindi na kayo natututong mag-alaga ng inyong sarili. Or minsan akala mo yung mga gusto mong, yung mga ginagawa ninyo ay para sa sarili niyo, but actually nakakalimutan mo na hindi yun yung pinaka goal or hindi yun yung pinaka-importante. So you need to also see kung nasaan ka. Alright? Tingnan mo kung nasaan, ano ba talaga yung, ano nun, pinaka target ninyong gawin. Minsan, tanongin niyo yung sarili niyo, hindi papunta doon yung ginagawa ninyo. Okay? Exercise to increase your energy and manifestation abilities. The key to manifesting quickly is to have very high energy levels, and the easiest way to increase them is through physical exercise. Choose a fun and meaningful activity so that you will look forward to exercising and it becomes its own reward. So mag-exercise. Mag-exercise. So it can be something na paano mo daw siya magiging magugustuhan. Baka in the morning or kung kailan kayo mag-exercise, I don't know, kung mag-gym kayo, hanap kayo ng cute dyan. Taurus, do something na parang magkakaroon kayo ng enjoyment, 'di ba? Or pwedeng may mga friends kayong nag-encourage sa inyo, ganyan. So, something na magiging masaya kayo. Alright? So, that is your forecast. Don't forget to follow or subscribe and always remember, sa lahat ng gagawin ninyong desisyon, dapat mabuti ang inyong desisyon. See you, Taurus, sa next reading.